If you open and enter information in a CSV file, and again, we talked about the fact that when you download these templates, they're going to come in a CSV format. If you open this CSV format using Excel, you will notice that some of the fields are not formatted correctly. You will need to ensure that the columns and cells are formatted per the instructions listed in the guideline. The two primary areas where this occurs are cells that utilize leading zeros, such as the district ID, which uses a format of 6 zeros, or the date of birth cells that must be formatted with an MMDD YYYY, or month, day, and year formatting. If the month, for instance, is 1 through 9, example, if the student was born in the months January through September, then it must have a leading 0 in order to be formatted properly. So now we'll talk about how you format with a leading 0. Number 1, you need to select the column that's desired. So in this case, we're going to select the district ID column. Step 2, you need to select Format from the menu at the top and then select Cells. Once you select Cells, a pop-up will appear. You need to select Custom from the category options and then enter under the Type area the correct format. In this case, 6 zeros for the district ID. You need to enter that to change the value to 6 zeros. In the case of the date of birth formatting, you would just use the MMDD YYYY, or month, day, and year formatting. Once you've formatted your columns and cells properly, you'll need to save the CSV document so that the system can read it. You select File and then Save As. You need to enter a name for that template, so it's automatically going to have the student name or the teacher name or enrollment name in the field. You'll need to change that to a name that you desire there. After you've done that, you need to select the .csv format, or comma separated values format, and then click OK or Save in order to save this in the CSV format. And there's a File Watcher desktop application that allows you to automate this process. Essentially, it works based upon folders. So you would create a folder on your system and then put the templates in that folder. Once you download this app and install it, the app identifies that folder. You select that folder via the app, and then the app will check that folder for any kind of updates that you make. So when you add a new student template to that folder, the app will know that that's a new folder. It's based upon a time check process. It will then upload the latest version of that file to the KReady system. This is, again, based upon user-created folders and the various template types that you download. This is available for Windows and Linux formats.